Welcome to this class, the third intermediate grade, lesson 33. The topic of this lesson is conjunctions. The aims or the objectives of this lesson: to present uses of conjunctions, introducing the coordinating conjunctions, fanboys, expand the knowledge of making and asking questions, to prepare to answer the activity about the lesson. Okay, in the beginning, do you know the conjunctions? What does conjunction mean? Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Do you know conjunctions? Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, let's check out what conjunctions are. Conjunctions. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a part of speech that is used to connect words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. Conjunctions are considered to be invariable grammar particle, and they may or may not stand between items they conjoin. There are several different types of conjunctions that do various jobs within sentence structures. These include Alaikum Assalam, subordinating conjunctions, also known as subordinators. These conjunctions join dependent clauses to independent clauses. Coordinating conjunction, also known as coordinators. These conjunctions coordinate or join two or more sentences, main clauses, words, or other part of speech which are of the same syntactic importance. Correlative conjunction. These conjunctions correlate, working in pairs to join phrases or words that carry equal importance within a sentence. Conjunctive adverbs. While some instructors do not teach conjunctive adverbs alongside conjunctions, these important parts of speech are worth a mention here. These adverbs always connect one clause to another and are used to show sequence, contrast, cause and effect, and other relationships. Let's move on to the next slide to clarify the whole thing over here. Okay, conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions, fanboys. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. We call them fanboys because if we take the first letter of every conjunction, we will get the word fanboys, okay? Fan, F, A, N, B, O, Y, and S. Fanboys. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Okay. Subordinating conjunctions. After, as if, as, if, while, although, before, even if, whenever, where, since, so that, even though, wherever, because, when, until, unless, whether. The correlative conjunctions are both and, neither nor, either or, not only, but, whether or not. Okay, let's go to the next. I want you just guys to read them by yourself, just to have a look on them before we move to the next slide. Fanboys, subordinating conjunctions, after, as if, while, etc. Conjunctions. There are a few important rules for using conjunctions. Remember them and you will find that your writing flows better. Conjunctions are for connecting thoughts, actions, and ideas, as well as nouns, clauses, and other parts of speech. To connect them together, guys, okay? For example, let's say here in this sentence, it said and, as well as, okay? For example, Mary went to the supermarket and bought oranges. Here we connected buying the oranges to going to the supermarket. We connected between them by using and. Conjunctions are useful for making lists. For example, we made pancakes, eggs, and coffee for breakfast. You know that when we are, for example, counting or mentioning a series of things, or if we are, for example, mentioning the students in this room, we say, for example, Nar, Ahmed, Adham, Bashir, Muhammad, and Hattan before the last name, before the last object. When using conjunctions, make sure that all the parts of your sentences agree. For example, I work busily, yet am careful, does not agree. I work busily, yet carefully shows agreement. You know, because it is busily here, an adverb, but careful is not an adverb. It is an adjective. So we can't use yet here because they don't show agreement. Let's move on. Examples of conjunctions. There are only a few common conjunctions, yet these words are used to connect words and phrases in writing of all kinds. The conjunctions commonly used in American English are and, as, because, but, for, or, nor, so, and yet. I am going to read them again for you. And, as, because, but, for, or, nor, so, and yet. And these conjunctions are commonly used in American English. In the following examples, The conjunctions are italicized for easy recognition. I tried to hit the nail, but hit my thumb instead. I have 2 goldfish and a cat. Here we used but as a conjunction. I tried to hit the nail, but hit my thumb instead. I have 2 goldfish and a cat. Here to connect between having like 2 kinds of pets. I'd like a bike for commuting to work. Here we used the conjunction for. I'd like a bike for commuting to work. You can have peach ice cream or a brownie sundae. Here we used or as a conjunction. It's either peach ice cream or a brownie sundae. Neither the black dress nor the gray one looks right on me. Neither nor. Neither nor. We use neither always with nor. My dad always worked hard so we could afford the things we wanted. So, my dad always worked hard so we could afford things we wanted. I try very hard in school, yet I am not receiving good grades. I try very hard in school, yet this is the conjunction. I am not receiving good grades. Okay. The following exercise will help you gain greater understanding about how conjunctions work. Choose the best answer to complete each sentence. My brother loves animals. He just brought a puppy, blank, a kitten. What do you think the answer is? But, or, yet, or and? Adham said and. What about you, Bashir? And 3 Muhammad. And, oh, we have got 3 Muhammad beside Bashir and Adham. What do you think, guys? So everyone said and. Adham, Bashir, and the 3 Muhammads. So and, okay. Answer is D. My brother loves animals. He just brought a puppy and a kitten home with him. Okay, what do you think of this? I'd like to thank you, blank the lovely gift. What do you think the answer is? 4, Muhammad. Another Muhammad said 4. Okay. Bashir. Okay. So everyone answered 4. Okay, let's check this. Answer B. I'd like to thank you for the lovely gift. Yes, that's correct. I want to go for a hike. Blank, I have to go to work today. But you saw the answer here? Okay. But, yes, but is the correct answer. You know, guys, we use conjunction just to connect phrases, words, sentences to each other. For example, this guy said, I want to go for a hike. He wants to, but he has to go to work today. Okay. Does it mean that he is going for a hike? No, he is not, because he has to go to work. He doesn't have time, maybe. Okay. Answer A, I want to go for a hike, but I have to go to work today. Okay, what about this one? They do not smoke. Blank, do they play cards? And, or, nor, yet. Or, nor, maybe nor. So you're not sure about it. So everyone said nor, but you are not like. They do not smoke. And do they play cards? No. They do not smoke. Or do they play cards? They do not smoke, nor do they play cards. They do not smoke, yet do they play cards. The correct answer is no, yes. Guys, I want to go back and read the third slide for you again. Okay. Now, we are going to have it like a review, okay? What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a part of speech that is used to connect words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. Conjunctions are considered to be invariable grammar particles, and they may or may not stand between items they conjoin. There are several different types of conjunctions that do various jobs with sentence structures. These include subordinating conjunctions, also known as subordinators. These conjunctions join dependent clauses to independent clauses. Coordinating conjunction, also known as coordinators. They coordinate. These conjunctions coordinate or join two or more sentences, main clauses, words, or other parts of speech which are of the same syntactic importance. Correlative conjunction. These conjunctions correlate, working in pairs to join phrases or words that carry equal importance within a sentence. Conjunctive adverbs. While some instructors do not teach conjunctive adverbs alongside conjunctions, these important parts of speech are worth a mention here. These adverbs always connect one clause to another and are used to show sequence, contrast, cause and effect, and other relationships. Now, guys, I want you to write down some conjunctions for me, please. Write as much as conjunctions you know. Go ahead. Hello? Guys, are you there? I want you to write as many conjunctions as You can. Do you remember fanboys? Go ahead and give me a list. Any conjunction. Bashir said but, and, for, or, nor, so, yet. Good job, mashallah, tabarakallah, Bashir. I'm waiting for you guys. Give me something more. I'm waiting for your answers. I will repeat Bashir's answer again. Do you want a cup of tea or coffee? Good job, Adham. What is the conjunction here? Or. Very good. Very good. Okay, let's move on to the next slide to read again. Okay, here are the conjunctions. Guys, I want you to look at them. If you can snapshot them, then it's gonna be good. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. These are the coordinating conjunctions, fanboys. Subordinating conjunctions, after. These are the subordinating, okay? After, as if, while, although, before, even if, whenever, where, since. So that, even though, wherever, because, when, until, unless, whether. I want all of you guys to give me a sentence using one of these subordinating conjunctions. Go ahead, please. I want you to type a sentence, write a sentence using one of these. While you reading, I was make a coffee. While you were reading, I was making coffee, a cup of coffee. Very good, Adham, mashallah, tabarakallah. Very good. What about you guys? Go ahead and write down a sentence using one of the subordinating conjunctions, please. You can use any one of these. Do you want me to help you? Why don't you go with since? You know since. We have explained the uses of since last class. If you remember. Why don't you use after? You can use after, for example. I'm waiting for him until I slept. I was waiting for him until I slept. Good. I'm gonna give you an example here. I go home after school. I go home after school. I will talk to Walid whenever I see him. I will talk to Walid whenever I see him. I have known Ahmed since 1999. I did not go to Syria since 2011. Good job, Bashir. Good one. Though he is a good student, he got the full mark. Wherever, because, when, until, unless, whether. Okay, what about the correlative conjunctions? Both and, neither nor, either or, not only but, whether or not. So, can you give me a sentence using correlative conjunctions? Okay, I'm gonna give you a sentence here. I want someone to answer or to give me. I don't want the neither. Okay, you don't want the neither. Adham, I don't want the neither. Okay. Go ahead and choose either, for example. Can you write a sentence using either or? Either or. Okay. I want someone to answer this question. Either Adham or Ali must answer this question, for example. Either or. It is for affirmative. Neither nor is for negative, okay? For example, neither Muhammad nor Ali went to school this morning. Okay? No problem, guys. Let's move on and check the conjunctions again. There are a few important rules for using conjunctions. Remember them and you will find that your writing flows better. Okay. Conjunctions are for connecting thoughts, actions, and ideas, as well as nouns, clauses, and other parts of speech. For example, Mary went to the supermarket and bought oranges. Here we connected buying the oranges with going to the supermarket. Conjunctions are useful for making lists. For example, we made pancakes, eggs, and coffee for breakfast. When using conjunctions, make sure that all the parts of your sentences agree. For example, I work busily, yet I'm careful does not agree, because this is an adverb and this is an adjective, so they don't agree. I work busily yet carefully shows agreement because both of them are adverbs. Okay. There are only a few common conjunctions, yet these words are used to connect words and phrases in writing of all kinds. The conjunctions commonly used in American English are, I'm going to list them again for you, to say them again for you. And, as, because, but, for, or, nor, so, yet. And, as, because, but, for, or, nor, so, and yet. Okay. In the following examples, the conjunctions are italicized for easy recognition. I tried to hit the nail, but hit my thumb instead. I have 2 goldfish and a cat. I'd like a bike for commuting to work. What is the conjunction here, by the way? Do you know? What is the conjunction? Good job, Adham. For Bashir, for. Good job. Good job. Okay. You can have peach ice cream or a brownie sundae. What about this one? Or? Good job. Neither the black dress nor the gray one looks right on me. Nor? Only nor? What do you think, guys? Only nor is the conjunction. Neither, very good. Neither and nor, okay? They are both conjunctions. Neither nor. My dad always worked hard so we could afford the things we wanted. So, very good, Bashir. Muhammad, very good. You have done a great job. I try very hard in school, yet I am not receiving good grades. Yet, Muhammad, Adham, Bashir, and Muhammad again, good job. Here we have had the examples. Let's have them again, no problem. My brother loves animals. He just brought a puppy and a kitten. We have chosen a kitten and a kitten, okay? So just to connect between them. I'd like to thank you, blank the lovely gift. Of course, Adham. To thank him for something he got for you or she got for you. Okay, I'd like to thank you for the lovely gift. Okay? But here, I want to go for a hike, blank I have to go to work. But, very good, I want to go for a hike, but I have to go to work today. Wa alaikum assalam, welcome salam. Okay. The answer is but, okay? He wants to go for a hike, but he can't because he has to work today. They do not smoke, nor do they play cards. It means they don't smoke and they don't play cards, okay? This is the meaning of the sentence. They do not do both. You understand me? If you understand me, type number 1 for this one. Okay, good job. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you. This is the summary. Conjunctions. Conjunctions are words which join short sentences together. So conjunctions, what do? They join short sentences together. For example, I went to bed. I was very tired. If we don't have conjunctions, we would write this way. I went to bed. I was very tired. But because we have conjunctions, it became this way. I went to bed because I was very tired. Here, we connected both sentences to each other. I went to bed because I was very tired. Now, like combining, yes, Adham, joining them. The two sentences have been joined together by the word because. In this sentence, because is the conjunction. And we have come to the last slide. This is the end. Thank you for participating, actually. No one read today.